Welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we have covered part 1, Amazon Prime gaming console, and in this video we will discuss why do you think that the new Amazon Prime format will be better than other streaming devices. So our main topics remain: compare Amazon and Xbox live streaming service prices versus cost of cable TV, and also we will cover Xbox Live versus Prime. There is a new Amazon Prime streaming service that will be released on September 27th. The new streaming service will be available for just around about $9 per month, and it will be include live TV and on-demand content. This is a good service because on any other service you cannot demand any content, but in this service you can demand any your favorite content on Amazon Prime streaming. It's cheaper than Xbox Live Gold and PlayStation Plus. uh, their price is very reasonable, $9 per month, and this is much less and cheaper than Microsoft Live Gold, which cost is $30, and Google PlayStation Plus, which cost is around about $60. Then the Amazon live streaming price is very low. Some people think that the new Amazon Prime streaming service won't be as good as other streaming service because it does not have any of the live channels like NBC or ABC, but it does have popular channels like Fox News, CNN, MSNBC or ESPN, which are all available to watch live with no extra cost. These news and sports channels are linked with Amazon live streaming, and users and subscribers can enjoy free live TV. Unless you are using to buy from both Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, then it would be better to just stick with one or the other. Netflix and Amazon Prime Video are two of the most popular streaming services. However, they are not the same. Netflix is a video on demand service while Amazon Prime Video is an internet video streaming service. But both our services offer a vast library of TV shows and movies to their viewers. However, the content of Netflix is usually newer than the content on Amazon Prime Video. Amazon Prime Video has uh, a lot of content on their server, and it's updated gradually. But the Netflix try to update their collection uh, according to and by the way needs of users, but um, Netflix has latest and newer content. So in this way the Netflix is best than Amazon Prime Video. The price of both services is also different. Netflix usually charges around $9 per month, while Amazon Prime Video charges around $8 per month for its monthly membership fee. So this is not a big difference in their prices, monthly fees. It would be better to just stick with one of other these services if you are only going to buy from one of them, because there are no many different between them. and it would be a waste of money to buy from both. If you want to buy a subscription, then just buy one subscription from Netflix or Amazon Prime. And if you buy both, then you have wasted your money on one service. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.